done. Okay, no problem. I got your point. And so I was we were conversing about like hotels. So what about your journey
Okay.
in this field?
Uh, First of all, what is your interest in hotel? Like, uh, like F&B service. Do you know F&B service?
Sir, sorry, what service?
F&B service.
Assembly. Yeah,
Like F&B.
yeah, yeah.
What is F&B service? Do you know?
Subject is a concept like a group of peoples.
No, no, bro, no, no, no. F&B service like waiter.
Oh, waiter. Yeah.
Yes, waiter.
Okay.
Do you know housekeeping?
As housekeeping meaning is located like a person who care about in inside of hotel.
Responsible for the hotel
Yeah, it's a,
cleanness.
yeah, meaning is located like that, na?
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay.
You want to also know travel.
Sorry.